Hey, the new loan limits are here, both for conforming and high balance. I'm going to go over them in a second. They are up from $625,000, which we thought was going to be the nationwide conforming loan limit, let's just say at the beginning of October of 2021. They just released the new loan amounts. Here they are. But before we get started, please, if you have questions, want to apply to some great financing, great rates, great help from a mortgage broker such as myself in California, please go to freshhomeloan.com. I would love to help you out. My team would love to help you out, and we are here to deliver for you. So the new conforming loan limits are $647,200 for a one-unit property, $828,700 for a two-unit property, $1,001,650 for a three-unit property, and $1,244,850 for a four-unit property, excuse me. Now, for high balance loans, high balance loans are quote unquote jumbo loans that are more conforming in guideline right here in the Bay Area and other places in the country. Check your local county limits as to what your high is, or you can contact us and we'll be happy to help you. But if you're in the Bay Area, the high balance loan amounts are now up to $970,800. For a two-unit property, it's $1,243,050. For a three-unit property, it's $1,502,475. And for a four-unit property, it is $1,867,275. So we have a lot of opportunity here, both for purchasing, for cash-out refinances, to tap in some of that unprecedented equity you now have. A lot of options. Again, I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO of Fresh Home Loan, Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. We're here to serve you. Give us a call. Let's get you some great rates, high loan amounts, and set you up.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.